Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Thursday, February 8th. Looking at the weather threat matrix, we do have a little bit of a disturbance that's going to be coming in tonight through Friday. That's going to bring some low to moderate impacts. Probably the moderate impacts are probably going to be across northwest Montana and north central Idaho. Some lingering, very light showers, predominantly in the mountains on Saturday. A little bit of a disturbance coming in late Sunday, bringing in some more snow, and then just an active period through next week time frame. Looking at this disturbance that's going to be coming out of British Columbia down across the Northern Rockies, we are looking at some widespread snowfall across the area. This is snowfall totals starting from about Thursday afternoon until 10 p.m. Friday Mountain Standard Time. So a couple areas that we're really kind of highlighting is kind of the Glacier Park area, the Silly Swans, that Ferndale looks to be getting some impactful snow from it. Another area of concern is across the north central Idaho, Clearwater, Idaho County. Particularly, it looks like some upslope onto the Camas Prairie, and then the Weippe, Pierce area getting some pretty decent snowfall from this. So kind of even looking at the low end, again, looking at the low end amounts during this event is really still highlighting that Glacier Park area and the higher terrain along the Montana-Idaho border, and then that Weippe, Pierce, and into the Camas Prairie. If we look at the high end amounts, or the potential for the very high amounts, again, similar areas, a little bit more widespread, of maybe 1 to 2 inches in the valleys, but again, it's that Glacier Park and north central Idaho. And then on that higher end, there is a disturbance that's kind of moving across southern Idaho that could bring a little bit more snow to the southern Lemhi counties. But again, I think that the majority of the models are really kind of highlighting that Glacier Park region, and then Idaho, Clearwater County. Then come on Friday during the day, we are looking at a modified Arctic making its way into northwest Montana, particularly, again, that Glacier Park area into Kalispell. We are looking at gust potential of about 20, 25, low chance of a gust of 30 right at the Bad Rock Canyon area, but definitely feeling some easterly winds along that Highway 2 corridor from Hungry Horse all the way to Marias Pass. So that'll be bringing in some slightly cooler air, but definitely looking at more of an easterly wind component. Temperature-wise, relatively mild for this time of year. The rest of today and Thursday, but by Friday time frame, temperatures should be a little bit more in the seasonal range. Kind of a concern for us is that clearing skies Friday night into Saturday morning will allow temperatures to drop into the teens to low 20s for the most locations across the Northern Rockies. If there are any wet roads still remaining by Saturday morning, we could see a little patchy ice development. Then we're looking at a ridge kind of building in again Saturday, Sunday, so fog might be an issue. If fog doesn't develop, then frost development. And then into next week, we get back into that active pattern as temperatures kind of remain kind of seasonal during that time frame. Just looking at some snowfalls broken down to 6 hours starting Thursday all the way through Monday for some of our higher elevation locations across the area, starting with Whitebird Hill near Grangeville, and then Lookout Pass tries to kind of give moments of when higher snowfall could occur. And the bottom is kind of a temperature trend for the region. Moving on to Lolo Pass and Lost Trail Pass. Again, similar setup of timing of snowfall with temperatures. Then Marias Pass and Homestake Pass. Once we get into that active period next week, southwest Montana might struggle to get much in the way of any shower activity, as these graphs indicate, but there is still a low probability of it. And then finally, McDonald Pass. Looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook, it does look like we'll kind of be in a better chance of having slightly below normal temperatures with near to slightly above potential for above normal precipitation. Again, just kind of indicating that we're kind of in this active weather pattern. The weather threat matrix, again, I think the biggest impact is going to be the next 24 hours through Friday, and then it's going to kind of be just an active pattern with off and on snow showers with seasonal temperatures. To be updated on the latest videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want any particular details, feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you. Goodbye.